Good morning! Hi! Maayong buntag, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Tingnan niyo po sa likod natin. Oh, meron na pong cherry blossom. It means that spring na. Ang aga natin naglalakad kasi ihatid natin si Arya sa kindergarten. At hindi po tayo nagbike today dahil meron po tayong appointment. Ang aga po na mulaklak yung mga cherry blossoms po dito sa aming lugar. Dahil alam nyo na kami po ay nasa bukid, nasa tuktok. Kaya medyo mas nauna po yung weather dito. Sa tingin ko lang, pero meron po ako nakikitang namulaklak na sa city, pero mga puti. Teka lang kay, naiwanan ako ng anak ko. Morgan! Yan, marami na mga nanay na naglakad-lakad. Exercise. Yan, oh, tingnan nyo. 80 years old, 90 years old. Nag-exercise pa rin sila, naglalakad. Ang tawag po dito sa Germany ay it's Spazieren. Oh, wait lang. Yung anak ko. Ay, di pala na-record. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita, hindi pala na-record. Ay, ulitin ko. May mga nanay po sa likod. Nawala sila. Wala. Mga wako. May mga nanay. Mga edad nila 70, 80, 90. Alam niyo, early morning, lalakad sila. Grabe, ganyan po sila ka-baskog, ka-strong. Ang iba nga nagbabike. Yung di ba may nanginginig. Nagbabike pa sila. Sabi ko, "Hoy, nay, magbabike pa kayo?" Sabi, "No, we can do it. Kaya namin. It's okay, can." Ay, nauna na yung anak ko kay mag-kindergarten siya. So, ayun, napakaganda po sa aming lugar. Dahil nauna po ang mga bulaklak dito. May mga cherry blossoms na po. Hindi ko alam kung na-record pa din kanina eh. At yung gamit ko na phone, na camera ay cellphone. Teka lang po, magpahinga muna ako kay hinihingal ako. Good morning! Aya's now going to kindergarten. And we are almost there. She's still sleepy. Ay, may pala yung cellophane. Wala yung dala na apple. Sorry, hindi nakabaon. Pero meron pong pagkain sa kindergarten. Meron silang breakfast, lunch, snacks. So, hindi nakalala madala ng baon. Yeah, face pass. Kumain ko, may muta sa bibi ko. Ay, thank you. Sa likod naman kasi merong maganda na cherry blossom. May bulaklak. Cherry blossom. Sa ating dentist. Yung dentist na pupuntahan po natin is matagal ko na siyang dentist since dumating ako dito sa Bonn. At siya rin gumawa ng ating implantation. Dalawa kami. Ito pa nga kasi bike dyan ba? And maaga po tayo ngayon at ang ganda ng ating kapaligiran. Hindi pa siya samok. Kaya lang, look, tawag yan, horlon. Sa kaya ng mga patay. Dito po ba ang daan? Naglakad po tayo kasi masarap po maglakad-lakad. Fresh yung air. Ayun na naman. Ay. Mamaya na po tayo continue nating vlog. Pagdating natin doon. See ya. Ayan, tapos na po tayo nagpalinis ng ngipin. And yeah, it's been a long time. Hindi pa tayo nakapaglinis, no? Dito din po yung aking dentist before, yung naggumawa ng ating implantation dito banda. Kaya makita niya na sa pag mag-smile tayo, minsan may isa lang tayo. Isa lang po ang implantation natin. And napakagaling po niya, Dr. Martin Moses, dito po sa Ipendorf. Ito din, siya rin po yung dentist ng aking mga anak. Kaya tipo yung Nathan. Si Arya wala pa, pero siguro dito tayo pupunta. Medyo malayo nga lang sa tinitirahan natin ngayon. Yung ginamit sa atin kanina paglinis. Itong machine nila. Ganda ng view dito. Mayong buntag! Kumusta po sa inyong lahat? Good morning! Ay, si Arya ando na po sa kindergarten. And ngayon naisip ko kung anong gagawin ko today kasi free po tayo. Shades muna tayo kaysa labas. Medyo mainit today. Napakaganda ng weather. Ayan, ito po yung aking gagawin. Punta tayo ng city. Dahil mataas na po yung ating kuko. Yan o, para na siyang crow. No? Para na siyang witch. Yung aking cellphone na ay, cellphone ko pala ginagamit mo sa vlog. Hey, dito na po ako sa city. Ay, Diyos ko. Ang weather na abnormal. Kanina, grabe ka init, di ba? Kaya nga nagdala ako ng shades. Tapos nung nasa bus ako, bigla pong nag-ulan. So, di ko na ba itong patak ng ulan? Parang antitigas. So, kaya naghagel. Alam mo yung pinakita ko sa Facebook page natin, yung ulan is parang ano, mga tapioca pearls or sagu pearls. Yun po ang ulan kanina. So, ayan, malapit na po ako ngayon sa nail salon. Diretso po tayo dito. Kay, magsunod po tayo kay Arya. Ayan, dito po ako palagi nagpapa manicure o pedicure. Problema parang, ano ba to? Meron silang binibuild dyan. Yan, ang pangalan po ay Shining Star sa Bad Godesberg. Hi! Ayun, nakapasok na po ako doon pero wala pong space. Ay, hindi lang space. Wala pong bakante. Kailangan kung bumalik mamaya. Siguro after na lang pagkuha kay Arya sa kindergarten. So, sana tayo ngayon. Ako ay nagutom. At mag-grocery rin tayo. So, harap ako na makainan. Tapos, mag-grocery tayo after ng kakain mamaya. Ayan, dahil umulan po, napunta po tayo dito ngayon sa shopping area. At grabe po yung mga sale ngayon, oh. Mga tag 10 euro na lang siya. Kaya yan, puro po yan sale lahat. Naghanap ako ng maisuot para sa Easter. Grocery po tayo dahil marami po tayong kailangan para bukas. Ay, matagal na po namin ni-plan ito na kapag Easter ay magbilo-bilo. No? Sa Bisaya, binignit. Magbinignit tayo, tapos gusto kong magputo. Puto flan. And then, yung ating mga drinks na i-open or ibebenta natin for Obi Fiesta. Kaya rin po tayo mag-prepare dahil bukas po yung ating pre-taste. So, papatikim po natin sa ating mga kaibigan yung lasa ng ating ibebenta, yung lasa ng ating soon business. Pero, kunti lang naman siya na business. Ay, maliit lang naman. Pero, sana titignan pa natin kaya mag-pre-taste muna tayo bukas. Mga reason bakit tayo mag-pre-taste ay para ma-adjust din natin yung lasa, panlasa, mga ingredients natin, kung anong kulang, kung anong idagdag. So, I am so excited! Ayan, malapit na tayo sa bus stop. Punta muna tayo ng city at doon tayo mag-grocery. Pero bago pala tayo mag-grocery ay nagutom. Nagutom po ako. Ay my God, 14 minutes! Tagal pa, uy. Lakad-lakad na lang. Maglakad tayo sa kabilang bus stop. Kasama ko po ngayon pala ang ating cameraman. Baka magtaka kayo mamaya kung may mag-video sa atin. Palagi ko na siyang kasama. Kasi we are, di ba na-explain ko na dati or nasabi ko na dati, we are like business partner. Business partner. Yeah. So, sabay kaming mamili, mag-grocery for tomorrow. At siya din po ang magluluto ng bilo-bilo. Ano na ako, assistant niya lang ako. Doon lang ako sa drinks. So, ayan, maglakad tayo. Mga 7 minutes lang siguro. Alam nyo, buti na lang talaga at umulan. Mga 2 days ata umulan. Ay, salamat. Papasalamat ako kasi medyo nawala na yung pollen pero parang meron pa. Grabe kasi yung hangin. Magmask po muna ako ha. Grabe po yung bus. Sobrang tagal. Nakadalawang bus stop tayo. Kaya maglakad ulit tayo sa pangatlong bus. Bus stop, I mean. Maganda po ito kasi pababa siya. Overlooking. Maganda ng mga bahay. Ang bahay na yan, yung view nila, wow, amazing. Kasi sa kabila po, Phoenix Winter, sa gitna po niyan, sa gitna ng bundok, is yung Rhine River. Ano? Bilis-bilis tayo para maabutan pa natin yung bus. Kaka-cover pa din ako ng ilong. Grabe, nag-trigger siya. Sobrang sayang nung nadaanan natin hindi ako naka-vlog. Pero ang ganda po ng view doon. Mga bahay-bahay na yun. At napaka-amazing no kasi malaki siya na building sa taas. Ang dami nilang nilagay ng mga bulaklak, mga halaman. Tapos, nagtaka ako kung bakit hindi siya madaw si Bako lang, London best friend. Falling down kasi grabe naman kabigat ng mga halaman. Tingnan nyo. Mga gamit pa. Napakatibay ng building dito. Ang sabi ng ating cameraman, kasi dito sa Germany, wala daw lindol. Sorry, kumakain ako ng candy. Walang earthquake. So, maganda talaga. Iba ko lang, wag naman sana. Ayan, pababa na. Malapit na. Malapit na hingalin. Telegram mo, ang dami no? At ang lalaki. Ayan, dito po tayo sa Vietnamese na restaurant. Yung ganda ng design. Ito ba? Ito yung pinunta natin dito. Napakasarap ng sauce. Ay, pwede palang mabili ko 5 euro. Oh.
Go.
Dahil sa ating mga kaubuhan, kaya yung order natin ay puro mga sabaw. Ito po yung order ng mga edad na nasa 40s. Ayan, we have beef pho and we have chicken pho. And siyempre yung mga inumin ng mga nasa edad na mga 40s, mga tsaa-tsaa na po. Yun na po yung mga beer, mga ganon. And ito po yung napaka-the best sa pho soup. Ito yung kanilang sauce. Ito po ay garlic. Saka may chili. Kain tayo guys. Init mo. Grabing sarap. May chili. Hi! After din sa restaurant, diretso po tayo ngayon. Dito po sa likod lang po ng Hochbahnhof ang Asiatische Lebensmittel Geschenke Artikel Asian Shop. Open po sila?
Open.
Ayo! Ayo! Palit ni butas. Tag. Ayan. Uy! Close na rin. Anong bibili natin? Kaya bukas po, Friday. So, di tayo mag-karne. Meron silang Black Tiger ganyan. Ang bibili natin, ayan. May tayo nito. Ang sarap magkasama ba? Mahal lang siya.
Yan na yung pang bilo-bilo?
Ito? Pag bilo-bilo ba yan?
Hindi yan, wag.
Gusto lang tignan magkano to. Ano mong fresh? €2.50. Kasaba. Uy, meron silang ubi, oh. Magkano itong ubi nila? $3.50.
Dalawahin mo kaya yung saging bee.
Yeah. So, dalawa yung saging na kukunin natin. Ay, bahay pala dito, oh. Ayan. €2.99, €3. Kay kuya, ano, magkano? Mas mo ano?
Same, no?
Same.
Gusto mo pusit?
Yan, beautiful weather. Sun is shining. Maganda ang weather ngayon. Yes. Here's my baby and she got a lot of gift, Easter gift. She has flowers.
I got
Oh.
2 bags, by the way.
Wow. Oh my god. So let's go. Let's look what's inside. She's so excited.
Chalk!
Is it a chalk?
Yeah, it is. Oh.
Oh yeah, it's a chalk. And then,
And then,
up.
I got
Mhm.
a chocolate.
Wow. That's a
Is
chocolate.
there more things or that's it?
That's
Yeah, that's
Mhm.
it.
That's
Now the
it.
other side.
the other side. Ooh, what's this?
Oh my god,
It's a gift from kindergarten.
for Easter. Oh my
Should I
god.
help you? Oh. Look, careful, careful.
Oh my god, I know this.
What is it?
It's like it can jump when you do like this.
Yeah. And now, can you wear first your jacket? It's a bit cold.
Wait. Oh my god, what is this?
Food. It's a
Why
fruits.
food?
Fruits.
And
You know that?
And
It's a dates.
oh, chocolate.
2.
2 chocolates. Wow. Come, hold this one, please. Ah, 2 gifts from kindergarten. This one is Easter gift, and this one is Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Yeah, and then you got also flowers. Oh, she got bread. Where's your bread? Here. Here. Yeah, there's your bread. Oh, and she got also Yakult. So she has something to eat and drink. Whoops. Very tired, my baby from kindergarten. Okay, see you later. Aya, hi!
Say hi.
Hi guys! Ayan,
Look how long
gutom po ang bata, kaya dito po tayo ngayon.
is my strawberry.
In your...
Our cameraman treat us. Ay, lalaki. Hi, nagutom kami, kaya dito po tayo ngayon. Arya, what you gonna order? Ay, careful on you.
Let's
So, meron po silang starter na binigay.
let's touch it in my plate. It's gonna be later there. Mama, here's the gloves for you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, I look like a
That's what I told you. My mom is
I look
wearing
scared.
face mask.
I look scary. Hi! Can you say hello to them?
Hello.
Hi.
My mom is wearing face
Ay,
mask.
mali itong vinegar. May lasa. I got the new, please. The other vinegar. Sorry. We have assistant here. Oh, it's better. It's
It's a
not
way to
better.
touch. Look how long my finger is because of the gloves.
Hello! We will now make a...
Egg.
What kind of
For-
egg? Special egg.
Like a
Easter egg.
egg.
Yes.
Easter egg
So-
for kindergarten.
Yeah, for kindergarten. And we forgot about it. We're supposed to sleep now.
Mom, can I please?
Oh, sorry.
Here's itchy.
Oh, he's itchy. Okay. So we forgot our eggs that we have to bring tomorrow. We're supposed to sleep, and I even have my mask.
And sleeping too.
Yeah.
Me also.
Both of us. We're supposed to sleep, but okay, we will do it now. Before what you can do today, you do today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Ah, charot. Okay, so it's a bit late.
Let's do first the red one.
Okay, so here's the thing. We have here the eggs. This is boiled, hard-boiled eggs. Careful that you will not crack it. But unfortunately, from the eggs that we cook, we have one. Ay! That is broken.
1, 2,
I'm so
3,
sorry.
4, 5, 6.
Yeah, so we supposed not to use this. So this
Oh
is
my
the
God,
thing.
how is it broken?
Our ingredients. We have ingredients here. So we have colors. Yeah.
Put it
We got
back.
what colors we have, Arya? We have.
We have red, we have purple, we have red, we have orange, we have green, we have pink, and we have blue.
And now we're gonna put water like 250 ml. I hope that I not scare you. So I need to wear my gloves. Arya got gloves already. Yes,
It's long
because
finger because of the
you know
glass.
she's always making like a chemical thing, and her hand, the skin of her hands is now
black.
black, like burned.
Black pearl.
It's burned. Yeah.
It's not burned really. It's not really burned.
Yeah, but it looks burned because it's black now. So we have a scissor to put our colors. Sayang kasi. Okay, first red. This color we can maybe make like dozen of egg. Okay, then we just
Can I put it on?
okay, you can put the red. I'm gonna put the blue.
Or
Hindi natin gagamitin lahat kasi mahal po ang color na to. Ano na, almost 3 euro ang
okay, now
isang pack.
Mama, right?
Yeah, and we're gonna put only 1 egg each. So, sayang. Oh my God, Arya. Put a lot of colors here, but it's okay. So, water, color, and then we're gonna put a vinegar, like 2 spoons each. Para...
Enough?
Look at this one if it's...
A
Okay.
little bit.
Yeah. So, 2 spoons each. Uy!
Okay, enough.
Careful. Ay! Oh my god, it's only 2. So we will just use 5 kinds of color.
And we forgot this one.
Oh, yeah, you forgot that. What is that?
Pink.
Or you want the purple one?
Purple.
Put the purple.
Oh, I was supposed to just put it up. That's scissors.
And now, I gonna put, okay, slowly, yeah? So we're gonna put our warm egg. Kasi kailangan warm siya.
Mama, can I also put it? Oh
Yeah.
no, better not.
It's supposedly warm. And we let this for 6 to 10 minutes. Ayan na po yung egg sa loob. Ayan. Oh my God. Nakulak na ano na siya.
Oh,
Oh,
just sprayed.
careful, huh?
That's why it's in my fingers.
Slipping through my fingers all the time.
Why is that? Doesn't look black.
And careful your hair. Your hair, baby.
Yeah, enough. Put vinegar. Oh, we already put.
I already put vinegar there.
Can I put it here? On here.
So, then here one. You wanna put? But it's a bit hot, so. Woo!
Oh no, my clothes because of the vinegar.
Oh, mine. Awa, awa, awa. It's hot, 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 hot. Oh my God. So, and the last one, where we gonna put? In color, purple,
There's
Which one?
already.
blue. We can.
Did you already put? I see already one egg.
Then we can put. Or maybe we can mix it later. So
Mama,
we
we
have
can-
to wait. Ayan.
A little bit here.
Yeah, our eggs are here already, and we have to wait 6 to 10 minutes. Oh, you're here again. You're here again.
Mama, here, here. You need to also put it here.
Yes! Don't make it. It will be broken. No. So, ayan. That's okay. So, where's our timer? Timer. So, we're gonna count.
The timer
Starts now. Let us check. After 6 minutes. Ooh.
Ooh, it's so blue.
Ay, careful.
And here's already.
Wait, I will put the camera a little bit near.
And this is
So, guys.
green. Not so green like Shrek color.
Okay.
This is like Shrek.
Oh, ang green po ang hindi masyadong nag-color.
And this is the very orange. It's so pretty.
Wow.
And then now the red turn.
The red, let's look. Ooh. Very red.
But the blue one is more for me.
Yeah, the blue one. Oh, cute. Super cute. Now it's time to take off my mask. The truth reveals. Daw? Kung gumanda na ba?
3, 2,
May
1.
pag-asa pa ba? Ay! Same face. Walang pag-asa. O sige. Sorry.
Mama, look. Whoa.
Wow! Oh my God! Wait guys, I'm so excited. So, ayan. We have all the colors. So first things first.
It's the purple one.
Should we take off now?
Yeah.
Wow! Keep it here. Oh, mahulog. Pag mabiak. Yan. Then the red one.
Ooh.
Okay. Wow! Oh my God! We did it! Wait. We just take off the green so we can show to them. And the blue also. Yeah. So.
Actually, you're taking it.
Wow. Oh!
The
Oh
dude's
my
so-
God. OMG. So nice!
Oh my god, that looks like an elephant nose.
Oh, look.
Mama, that looks like an elephant nose.
Yeah. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Super nice. We did it, Arya. Oh my God. Ang pangit para ng kuha kanina. Sorry ha. Grabe ka blurred. So we did it po. Nakagawa na po tayo ng colored eggs for Easter.
I'll take it off.
Ayan. Good job, Arya. Thank you for helping me. Ay! But it's for Arya's kindergarten. So ayan, nakagawa na po tayo and we are so excited.
Mama, why is it so a little bit and it need to be like this?
Good
night,
night, everyone.
everyone.
Thank you for watching.
And
Please watch more and please subscribe,
like and share. Bye. Peace. Out.
Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through